This is the box. It is a plain white box. It has watch preview on top and has branding. It says Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. On the back it has some information. Let's unbox. Inside the lid there is accessories box. And here's the watch. Let's look inside the small box. There's a quick start guide and Type-C charging module. This is the watch. Let me remove the sticker. Let's have a physical overview. On the front you can see a flat display. On the right side there are two buttons. One is home button and another one is back button. On the back you can see the sensors, charging pins and some information. This is a charger and you can charge it something like this. As for the straps, it is in one single color and you can see some colored threads near the dial. It looks cool, and the strap has a wavy design. The straps are very easy to remove or install. Just press the button on the back side and you can remove it or install it. This is how the mechanism looks like. Pretty standard. This is just like the previous version. Watch 7 weighs 56 grams. That is pretty light. Once you turn it on, before you can use it, it asks to pair. If you have a Samsung device, it should pop up in your device. If it doesn't, or if you don't have Samsung device, just download the Galaxy Wearable app. Now coming to the pairing process, once you try to pair through the app or through Bluetooth, it will show the same number or pin on both watch and your device. Once you confirm, it will start the process. Follow the on-screen instructions. It will ask to download a plugin if it is not a Samsung device. It will ask to connect Google or Samsung account. It will ask to restore previous data if found. Press yes or no based on what you want. If you select yes, then it gives you some options of what you can restore. Sometimes you might not get too many options, but once you choose, it imports the data. Now just choose the next steps. It might also ask to download Samsung Health app. Keep following the instructions and that's it. Your watch and phone are paired. This is how the watch UI looks like. It will first show you a tour of the watch. Watch that for better understanding. Swipe down on the watch face for quick panel, swipe up from the bottom on the watch face for apps. Swipe right on the watch face for notifications. Then swipe left on the watch face for tiles. Press home key to go to watch face from any screen. Orange dot on the left side means there is unread notifications. Tap and hold on the watch face to access more watch faces. From here you can add more, and if you want more than these, you can download from the app on your paired device. This is how the Samsung Health app looks like. There are some tabs towards the bottom: Home, Together, Fitness, and My Page. In Home you have Step Tracker, Sleep Tracker, there's also Ages Index. This might still be in beta. Here you can track your metabolic health and it helps with biological aging process. Understanding of all that. And this can be measured if you wear it to sleep. Next there are heart rate trackers and blood oxygen level monitor. In Together section you can connect with others or your friends. In Fitness section you can watch tutorials for fitness routines. In My Page you can change settings or edit your profile. Now let's check Wearable app. In this you get watch settings. From here you can tweak a lot of things. But here's the best part. If you go to buttons and gestures, there are 3 important gestures: double pinch, shake to dismiss, and knock knock. If you turn on double pinch, you can do a double pinch gesture to answer calls or dismiss alerts or even launch apps. You can also play or pause your music and also take photos. If you enable shake to dismiss, as it says, you can just shake your hand to dismiss alerts, calls or alarms. If you enable knock knock, you can just make a fist and then do knock knock gesture to launch an app or a feature. To conclude, it looks great on hand, feels very light, and the pattern of the strap helps with ventilation underneath, so it won't be as sweaty as a smooth strapped watch. These new gestures and functions are pretty handy, and Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 seems great. It offers very few changes compared to Watch 6, things like AI features in health, sleep apnea detection. If these are really important to you, then you can think about upgrading or buying this over Watch 6. Overall, this is a great smartwatch. Now, how much does the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 cost. You can buy the 4G variant at 36,999 rupees for the 4.4 centimeters version and 33,999 for the 4 centimeters version. As for Bluetooth variant, the 4.4 centimeter version is available at 32,999 and the 4 centimeter version is available at 29,999. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this watch? Will you buy it? Do you have the Watch 6 or Watch 5 or even previous ones? Comment down below and let us know what you think about this. And remember to subscribe, like, share and comment whatever you want to see next. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.